Welcome to the 16th episode of the JavaScript tutorial series. Today we're going to explore one of the most useful built-in objects in JavaScript, the math object, and learn how to generate random numbers. These tools come in handy in everything from games to real-world applications like quizzes, simulations, and data processing. So let's start right away.
The math object is a built-in JavaScript object that has properties and methods for mathematical constants and functions. It is not a constructor, so we don't use new math. Instead, we just access its properties and methods directly using math followed by a dot. Let's start with some basic math methods. Here we have a number 4.7. Math.round rounds it to the nearest integer, so we get 5. Math ceiling always rounds up, so it's also 5. Math.floor always rounds down, so that gives us 4. Math.trunc just removes the decimal part without rounding, so again we get 4. These functions are very helpful when working with floating point numbers and controlling how they behave. Next, let's look at math.abs. Math.abs gives the absolute value of a number, meaning it removes the sign. So if we pass minus 15, it returns 15. Now let's find the largest or smallest number in a list. Use math.max and math.min. Just pass the numbers as arguments. Math.max returns the highest value, math.min returns the smallest. Now let's explore powers and square roots. Math.pow takes two arguments, the base and the exponent. So math.pow 3, 4 means 3 raised to the power of 4, which is 81. Math.sqrt finds the square root. So math.sqrt 81 returns 9. Now the fun part, random numbers. Math.random returns a pseudo-random number between 0 and 1. That means it's greater than or equal to 0 but always less than 1. It's commonly used when you need randomness, like in games, quizzes or lotteries. Let's take it a step further and generate a random number between 1 and 10. This looks a little complex, but let's break it down. Math.random gives us something like 0.57. Multiply it by 10 to get a number between 0 and just under 10 like 5.7. Math.floor brings us down to the nearest whole number like 5. Adding 1 shifts the range from 0 to 9 to 1 to 10. So we now have a random integer between 1 and 10. Now let's make a reusable function to get a random number between two values. This function takes two arguments, min and max. It calculates a random integer between those two values, including both ends. So getRandom with 5 and 15 might give us 7 or 12 or 15 completely random within that range. I have run the program many times and every time it gives a different random number. Here is a small challenge for you. Write a function that simulates rolling a 6-sided dice. Every time it's called, it should return a random number between 1 and 6. Pause the video and try it out yourself first. Let's see how we can solve it. We create a function called roll dice. Inside the function, we use math.floor with math.random multiplied by 6. That gives us a number from 0 to 5. Then we add 1 to shift it to the range 1 to 6, just like a real dice. Every time we call roll dice, it will simulate a random roll between 1 and 6. In the next episode, we will explore another very practical JavaScript object, the date object. You will learn how to create dates, format them, extract parts like day, month, year, and calculate time differences. Stay tuned.
That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this presentation, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you soon in the next video. Take care and bye for now.